With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, here the question is, if three successive coefficient in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n be 220, 495 and 972, then we have to find the value of n. We know that the binomial expansion of 1 plus x to the power n is, it is nc0, 1 to the power n, x to the power 0, nc1, 1 to the power n minus 1, x to the power 1, hence it goes on, it is ncn, 1 to the power 0 and x to the power n. Okay, we will let that they are the three term consecutive term. First is tr, second is tr plus 1, and third is tr plus 2. Okay, so they are three term, okay, which are a successive coefficient in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n. So the term of tr is, it is our nc r minus 1, 1 to the power, it is n minus r, and it is x to the power r. Okay, and the term r plus 1 is ncr, 1 to the power r is 1 and it is x to the power r. Okay, this value is r minus 1. Okay, now the next term, that is tr plus 2, it is ncr plus 1, x to the power r plus 1. Okay, but in the question we have given that we have to look for the coefficient in the expansion, and the value of the coefficient are 220, 495 and 972. Okay, so we can write from here our value of ncr minus 1 is r, it is the 220. Okay, and the value of ncr is, value of ncr and value of ncr plus 1 is, it is 495 and it is 972. Okay, so we have let three consecutive term. This is our first equation, this is our second, and this is our third. Okay, so now the value of ncr minus 1. Okay, now we are dividing first by second. On dividing, divide first by second. Okay, on dividing, it will be, it is our ncr minus 1 upon ncr, and this value is 220 upon 495. Okay, so now we can write our ncr minus 1 as, it is n factorial upon r minus 1 factorial, and it is n minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay, and this whole term is divided by ncr. This the term is n factorial upon r factorial, and this is n minus r factorial, and this term is equals to 220 upon 495. Okay, now this n factorial is cancelled by this n factorial, and r factorial can be written as r minus 1 factorial into r. So r minus 1 factorial is cancelled by this r minus 1 factorial, and the left term will be, it is r, this is the term r minus 1 factorial r, and it is n minus r factorial. Okay, it is whole divided by r minus 1 factorial, and this is n minus r factorial, and it is n minus r plus 1. And when we divide each by, we will get, it is 44 upon 99. Okay, on simplification, this value is equals to r, this is r upon n minus r plus 1, and this value is equals to 4 upon 9. Okay, now we cross multiply the term, that is 9r, and it is 4n minus 4r plus 4, and finally the equation will be, it is r 13r, and this value is equals to 4n plus 4. Okay, this is equation number 4th. Okay, now we will divide our second term by third term. Okay, so on dividing the second term, divide second by third. Okay, so on dividing the second term by third term, we will get, it is our n factorial upon, it is r factorial, n minus r factorial. Okay, and this term is r minus r plus 1 factorial, and this is n minus r minus 1 factorial divided by, this is n factorial. Okay, and this whole is equals to 495 upon 972. Okay, now on simplification, this n factorial is cancelled by this n factorial, and this r plus 1 factorial can be written as r factorial into r plus 1. This r factorial cancelled by this r factorial, and final the value will be, it is r plus 1 upon it is n minus r. Okay, and on simplifying, this value will be, it is 55 upon 108. Okay, now we will cross multiply the term, so it is 108r plus 108, and this is 55 n minus 55 r. Okay, now from the final value will be, it is r 108r plus 55r is 163 r, and this value is 55n minus 108. This is our equation number 5th. Okay, now we will solve the equation 4th and 5th. Solve equation 4th and 5th. Okay, so on solving the equation 4th is r, it is a 13r minus 4n equals to 4, and it is 163r, and it is minus 55n, and this is equals to minus 108. Okay, now in this we will multiply this term by 55 and this term by 4. Okay, so on multiplying, the term will be, it is a 715r minus, and it is 220n equals to 220. Okay, and the next term will be, it is a 652r, and it is minus 220n, and this is minus 432. Okay, when we subtract this term to each other, the value of the term will be, it is a, this term is cancelled by each other, so the value of this term is, it is 63r, and this is equals to 652, and the value of r from here, it is r equals to 652 upon 63. Okay, so we got the value of r. Now we will find the value of n from this. So our first term is 13r minus 4n equals to 4. So we will put the value of r in this equation. On putting the value of, it is 13r minus 4 equals to 4n. So value of r from here, it will be, value of n from here, it will be 13r, it is upon 4 minus 1. Okay, on putting the value of r, it will be, it is n equals to 13 upon 4 into 652 upon 63 minus 1. Okay, now this value on simplification, this value is 13 into 163 upon 63 minus 1, and on further simplification, our value of n is equals to, finally it is 13 into 163 minus 63 and whole divided by 63. So this is the final term, this is the final value of n, that is equals to this, and we have asked in the question that we have to find the value of n. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.